Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is the second video out of my colour blocking series, and as you can tell, today's colour is orange. If you haven't seen my previous video, the colour was red. If you haven't seen it, then you might not know about this series that I'm starting. I am doing a colour block series where I go through basically every colour in the rainbow, and in each video I'm going to be doing a makeup look dedicated to that colour. If you would like to see how I created this orange colour blocked makeup look, then please keep watching. So let's get started. Where's my brushes that look held? We're gonna zoom right in and get straight into it. So I'm gonna start with this palette that has been well and truly used to death, and it's the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going to be using this yellow right here. So if you have a really bold bright yellow, I'm going to start with that in the crease and bring it quite high up because you'll see. So I'm going to bring it quite high up on the inner corner to kind of go into the nose contour a bit. So, and then I'm also going to wing it out quite a bit on the side.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. Usually
I'm going to bring it quite low down because I will eventually be merging it into the bottom lash line. Actually, I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to put that yellow from that corner and bring it under the bottom lash line. I wasn't going to do this, but I've changed my mind and I am now. But I'm basically going to get that yellow and just pack it onto the lid also. Now I've done that, I'm going to do the Urban Decay Electric palette and use this colour here called Slow Burn. It is more of like a corally colour, so it's more of like a pinky orange. But as we've got that yellow underneath, I'm hoping that's going to kind of turn it into more of like a orangey orange, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to pack that on the lid.
Usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they pour when I'm thinking about you. You know, no.
So now I've done that and I like that, I'm also going to get that same shade on a blending brush and just blend that into the crease as well.
Do you cry if you need to? I can't stay to watch you. It's the wrong thing to do. Touch if you need to, but I can't stay to hold you.
And I'm also going to bring that down onto the lower lash line as well. But to add a bit of definition to the crease, I'm going into this Marianne Meteor Storm. Yeah, Meteor Storm palette. I'm going to go in with this colour here. It's like a burnt orangey shade. It has the tiniest bit of shimmer to it, which is okay. I'm just going to put that in to the crease just to add a little bit of definition.
Do you not think so far? I need someone different, you know it. Do you not think so far? When a good thing goes bad, it's not the end of the world, it's just...
So now I've done that, I'm going to do a smoky liner. I'm going to go into the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to be using an Fuego right here that is a really dark reddy brown, and I've got that on kind of a small, but I've got that on a small eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to put it into the lash line. My dog's barking constantly. I'm just going to kind of tap that in place first along the lash line, kind of like lining it, if you can see.
But I can't stay to hold you. It's the wrong thing to do. Talk if you need to, but I can't stay to hear you. It's the wrong thing to do.
So I want to go a little bit darker, so I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using the one in the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm going to be using the black in there, just a matte black eyeshadow. And I'm basically going to go over the top, again just with the tapping motion. So now I've done that, I'm now going to be basically doing the same on the bottom lash line. So I'm just going to put some of that black shadow along the bottom lash line as well, so it kind of goes together.
Touch if you need to, but I can't stay to hold you.
And now I've done that, I'm going to put some black eyeliner pencil in my waterline, and this is the MAC Kohl Power Eye Pencil. Done. So, inner corner, I am going to put some highlight on the inner corner, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Distortion palette, and on the top row of this they're basically like highlight shades with different colour reflects in them, and this one here called Bleach has a really bright gold reflect in it. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Full Fat Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. I am gonna try and figure out what lip colour to go with for this. I don't know whether to go with an orange. Okay, so for lips, I do think I want an orange lip just because I want to go OTT. Ow, and I just shut my hand in the drawer. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in 1993 to line my lips. I'm going to be using this Maybelline lipstick in Electric Orange. I didn't even know this was Maybelline. Or 912. It is a bit shiny and I kind of want it to be matte. It's like... So, I'm going to get the translucent setting powder and I'm just going to go over it. And we're done! I feel like this was quite a short makeup tutorial compared to a lot of my other ones. I think this is super, super cute. As I feel like this tutorial is going to be quite quick, this blazer is from Primark, and then I have this Calvin Klein bralette underneath, but it's really cute because on the elastic it has this kind of like orangey, corally stripe through it, so it goes really nicely like with the blazer. So this is look 2 out of my colour block series. I really hope you like it. I'm loving this look. I don't think I've done an orange tutorial or a makeup look on my channel before. I'm pretty sure I haven't, or on my Instagram, thinking about it. I really, really hope you liked it. If you do, please let me know by pressing the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't already, please press the subscribe button so you do not miss any of my other tutorials in this colour block series. I hope you like it. I think it's nice to get a little bit more creative and bold and colourful with makeup looks, and especially in the summer, this is like the time to do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!